So you don't like the deal because you figured you're not going to be able to get along with them. That's really what you're saying. Well, I want you to know that this. The court is ultimately going to not parent your kid. The court is going to say, you're the parents, you parent the child. It's a co-parenting situation. You're both supposed to co-parent. And the court is satisfied with both of you doing your jobs. However, if you've got a co-parenting deal and the other parent's not cooperating with you, the other parent is actually not co-parenting, probably taking the benefit of lower support, but at the same time not doing their job, you've got to document these problems. You've got to show the court instant after instant where the other side simply refuses to cooperate in the co-parenting arena. If they won't do that, and you can show harm to the child, for example, the child's supposed to be administered a certain medicine, other parent won't do it. I cannot tell you how many times we've had that case come up. Kids on antibiotics. So you send the child for parenting time, but don't forget to take the antibiotics. Here they are. Here's a jar of it. You come back, the jar's still full. Shameful. That's a parent not taking responsibility for their kid. The courts will always prioritize the well-being of the child. And what that means is the moment they see that the parent isn't doing that, that's the moment where the court starts thinking, you know what? I don't think the joint situation is working. I'm swapping this out. I'm removing the parent who obviously doesn't want to be involved from the equation, and I'm going to switch custody to the other parent. Now, they don't do it willy-nilly. You know that in custody cases, evidence is crucial. If you can show the evidence, if it can be demonstrated that in that situation, of course, the court will, give it due evaluation, but if not, not. So evidence is going to be crucial. But what's the clear answer? What do you do? Can you get full custody if the ex refuses to co-parent? The short answer is yes, you can. But you're going to have to show the court that there's a compelling reason in the best interest of the child to do it.